So here's the radio. Let's open up and unbox what we have inside. We got some RCA cables that we probably aren't going to use unless you have a sub. We have a Wi-Fi antenna, which I don't think you're going to need, but it's good to put it on anyways. We have some more cabling for more RCA stuff. So this is the stuff that you would have if you have a sub, or if you have a video player, or I think this also has I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, accessories. But the main harness is this one, the one with the nice and colorful wires that has all of the 4 speakers and the important wires that go to the stereo. So we're gonna need this. You have your wired adapter, so if you want to charge and have wired CarPlay or Android Auto, this is the wire. Yeah, so for rear view camera and I think other Bluetooth accessories. Sweet. And then you get some brackets to mount the radio if need be with some bolts. Then you get an additional face plates. Some manuals. And then we have the stereo itself. The ATOTO A5 light. Nice and thin. We have the connection for all of the wiring up ahead. And we also have an HDMI cable. That's cool. The GPS plug-in, and then the main plug-in unit. Ready?
Yeah.
What the fucking Jimmy rig? What is up with your dad and rat's nests?
Let me see.
Okay, so we got these 2 unplugged, and this is the main antenna. And this is the old radio. So we have this. Okay. So we're gonna open it just to make sure
How should I get it
that
out?
it fits first. So we have a, I think, 8-pin to an 8-pin. Perfect. Yeah, this fits, so we're good. And then your speaker wire, which is purple and green, is this one.
Like the Hulk.
Fits. Perfect, it fits. So we're good. What's your door? Let it loads.
That's sick.
You don't have accessory in here?
What do you mean?
Oh, you do.
Hello?
Perfect.
What the fuck?
So
It's not Monday, it's Friday.
At you trying to be top guy. Now you want to be manual, okay. Do with these problems manually.
Don't make me laugh, I'm recording.
Fucking car, dude. Car got no mercy on me, bro. Yeah, man. I just hate how you don't have a bolt right here.
Yeah, whatever. No one's gonna see it.
That's true. Sometimes the wires get like pushed in, so I just want to make sure that before we lock it up, it's still good.
So, this is my review on the ATOTO Apple CarPlay thing for my 2003 Tacoma. And I like it because obviously it's Apple CarPlay. So you got basic, what's that called? Basic Apple CarPlay, phone, maps, all that. Pretty sick. But my favorite one for all you bass using boys, you could choose whatever setting you like, and honestly, it's pretty loud. Well, depending on your speakers, but it gets pretty loud. So yeah, 10 out of 10. I like it a lot. You gotta look at your phone or nothing, but I recommend this.